All right, so in this lesson, we are going to find solutions to word problems by graphing a system of inequalities. All right, so in this lesson, in example number 1, Sammy has less than 12 total pizzas. So Sammy has less than 12 total pizzas. So Sammy has less than 12. That seems important. Some are cheese. So that seems important. Some are cheese, some are pepperoni, maybe. She has 5 more. Okay, so I can do it like this. So it says, how much of each type of pizza will she have? So that is our key. How much of each type? Well, we have for sure, it says Sammy has less than 12. There are some cheese. So we'll make cheese blue or red. We'll make cheese red. Or pinkish, whatever this color is. I can't even get it right. Okay. And then we will say that pepperoni are blue. Okay. So it says she has 5 more cheese. Well, she has more than 5 cheese pizzas. So that's about cheese, which is red. So she has more than 5 cheese pizzas, more than 5 cheese pizzas. But then it gives us like, I don't know what color to make this. I guess I'm going to get purple. So the total, Sammy has less than 12 pizzas total. So less than 12 total pizzas. All right, so how much of each type? So in this, it's going to be easier if you use X and Y. You could do it the other way around. That's fine. There's nothing wrong with it. It's just going to be easier if you use X and Y. So we'll put X is the number of cheese pizzas. I'll put CP. And blue is the number of pepperoni pizzas. Oops. We'll make that Y. Number of pepperoni pizzas. It says right here that Sammy has less than 12 total pizzas. So we know if we combine the number of cheese pizzas, if we combine it with the number of pepperoni pizzas, it will be less than 12 total. Less than 12 total. Not too bad. It says she has more than 5 cheese pizzas. So we're talking about cheese. So let's switch to red. So she has more than 5 cheese. So the number of cheese, I used X. The number of cheese pizzas is, where is it? The number of cheese pizzas. So she has more than 5 cheese. So let's see. She has more than 5 cheese, so that means she can have 6 or 7. So the number of cheese she has is more than 5. Okay, let's do again. So right here, so it says Sawani has at least 20 bags of apples and bags of oranges. She has less than 6 bags of oranges. How many bags of each can she have? So let's use green for the question. How many bags of each? So we're talking about the type of bag, I guess. And we're talking about bags of apples. Bags of apples and bags of oranges. And it says she has less than 6 bags of oranges. So I'll stay in blue. So less than 6 bags of oranges. And we have a total right here. She has at least 20 total. So has at least 20. And then we'll say like all of this, right? So let's go with the red one. So how many bags of each? So bags of apples. So X can be number of apple bags. And blue can be, will be Y, and it's number of orange bags. it says right here, Sawani has at least 20 total bags, right? So if you combine the number of bags of apples and bags of oranges, it will be at least 20. At least 20 means more than 20. So this will be more than 20, but it can be 20. And right here it says she has less than 6 bags of oranges. Bags of oranges are Y. They need to be less than 6. Okay, not too bad. Okay. All right, so we have two numbers. Their sum is less than 72. One of the numbers is greater than 32. What are the possible combinations of numbers possible? Okay, so let's do this. What are the possible combinations? So we have, let's see, what did I make it? The red. Okay, so you have two numbers. Their sum is less than 72. One of the numbers is greater than 32. So it really doesn't tell us which one's which, right? Which one's the first number, which one's the second number. So I'm going to say we have two numbers. We have this number, and, well, I'll do it like this. We have that one, and then we made the other one blue, I believe, and this one. So two numbers. Their sum is less than 72. That means, remember, a sum is when you add them together, so they're total, right? So sum is less than 72. One of the numbers, it doesn't matter which one, we'll make it red. One of the numbers is greater than 32. Okay, so we'll put X is first number. We'll do it like that. First number. And Y will be the second number. Okay, and we know that their sum is less than 72. Their sum is less than 72. So their combination is less than 70. Like, them together is less than 72. So when I add them together, it's less than 72. It says one of the numbers, we made it the red one. One of the numbers, we said it was that one, is greater than 32. Is greater than 32. Not too bad. So Emma and Idali are online buying some BTS MP3s. They buy more than 100 songs total. Emma buys at least 24 songs. How many songs can each of them buy? So that's their question. How many songs can each of them buy? So let's see. So I guess we'll make this one the number of songs Emma buys, and we'll make blue the number of songs Idali buys. It says that they buy more than 100 total, so more than 100 total right there. And then it says Emma, so this one, Emma buys at least 24 songs. Cool. So X is the number of songs that Emma buys, and Y can be number of songs Idali buys. Oops, Idali buys. Okay. And then we know that together they buy more than 100 songs. So together they buy more than 100 songs. And then it says Emma, which we represent Emma's songs, which are X, buys at least 24. So that means she buys more than 24 or equal. And let's do our last two. So Andrea and her squad have sloths. They have less than 29 total. So let's just jump to the question. It says, how many sloths can Andrea and her squad have? I guess each. So let's see. Andrea and her squad, how many each, right? So we'll make Andrea red and her squad blue. I haven't heard that terminology in a long time. They have less than 29 total. Oh, that's total, so let's make that purple. They have less than 29 total. Okay. So the number of sloths that Andrea has, oh, that's red again. Cool. Andrea has is at most 12. Oh, I can do a tiny bit better. Okay. So let's do this. Label our variables. X is number of sloths. For Andrea. And blue is, will be Y, which is the number of sloths for her squad. Okay, and it says that they have less than 29 total. So if you combine the number of sloths Andrea and her squad have, they will be less than 29. It also says Andrea, the number of sloths Andrea has, is at most 12. If 12 is the most that they have, like that she has, 12 is the most. So at most, she has 12. She can have less or equal to 12. All right, one more on this page. So Luis has nickels and quarters. Well, let's just jump to the question then. How many of each can he have? So how many of each can he have? So let's do that. X can be number of nickels, and Y can be number of quarters. Not too bad. It says, well, let's do this. Nickels, quarters. It says he has no more than 18 coins total. No more than 18 coins total. And there are at least 5 nickels. All right. So no more than 18 coins total. So X. When we combine the number of quarters and the number of nickels and quarters, it has to do with 18. Oops. Okay. No more than 18. So that means they can be less than 18 or equal to 18. And then there are at least 5 nickels. Nickels is X. They're at least, so greater than or equal to 5. All right, cool. Next page. All right, so let's look at this one. So blah, 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 blah. How many of each type of pizza? So how many of each type of pizza? And let's figure out what types we have. So red. Sammy has some pepperoni pizza, some cheese. So we'll do pepperoni is red. Cheese pizzas will be blue. She has less than 17 total pizzas. That is a total. So less than 17 pizzas total. She has more than 8 cheese. Cheese is blue. So more than 8 cheese pizzas. So let's go ahead and write these out first. So X is number pepperoni pizzas. Y is the number of cheese pizzas. We know that less than 17 total, so X plus Y is less than 17. And then she has more than 8 cheese, so more than 8 cheese, so that's Y is more than 8. The number of cheese is more than 8.